No pun intended, because you are stepping on this this treadmill. But what was the first thing you did when you had the idea and tried to put it into practice?
Yeah, the first step was to decide what's the best possible way to make an omnidirectional treadmill. And it had three key requirements. It had to be compact, so it could fit in a living room. It had to be affordable, something consumers could afford. And it had to work well. It had to feel good using it. And so I looked at what was out there. The first step is always just Google your idea, and you will immediately find that many other people have the exact same idea as you. And you're never like, nobody thought about this. No, a lot of people have thought about that, have tried to do it. In my case, with omnidirectional treadmills, there were a lot of patents out there. Nobody had really made anything that was commercially available or viable, but a lot of crazy ideas out there, patents, crazy drawings. And so I went through all the different patents that were out there, all the different ways of making an omnidirectional treadmill, motorized, not motorized, using moving belts, no moving belts, and using, ball bearings or low friction, all the possible ideas out there. And I settled on what I thought was the best approach, which is a passive device, not motorized, with a low friction base. But that process to get to that point, what I thought was the best concept, took about 6-7 months. I also started working with a design house to start designing some of these ideas, think through the different approaches, pros and cons. And then we settled on the approach of a low friction concave base, not motorized, passive. But that was about a 7-month process.
So that discovery phase, and when you're looking at all those things how did you go about sourcing and finding people to do that? Like,